Hey guys, Edwin here. We're at the 2024 Red Crest right here in Alabama, and I am really excited because, I've been running Optima batteries for 20 years. But over last year, really over the last 6 years, they've been in the process of developing a lithium battery. And over the last 6 months, I've got to run some prototypes. I can't wait to show you this to you guys. There we go. This is gonna get this thing out. It's got a lot more capacity. Like the deep cycle battery's got 150 amp hours. I'm able to connect this battery to my depth finders, able to connect it Bluetooth to my phone. I can check the state of charge, I can check the state of health, I can check the temperature of the battery. Really, really cool stuff. So the handles actually cover the terminals. So you can pick this thing up, the handles go down, and it's got 4 terminals. So you got plenty of areas right here to connect to all the different things that I have in my boat. I've got NEMA connections right here to connect it to my depth finders, put it all through a backbone. Each battery will connect to itself also. That's really important. Just, if one battery is a little bit less state of charge, all the technology that you could ever imagine are in these batteries, and they're a lot lighter. It's just, you're taking a lot less weight. Optima lithium power on the water is going to get you through the day.